Hi everyone, today I'm going to go over how to remove your trunk or hood lift supports. The tools you will need are a skinny flathead, something to keep your trunk or hood propped up, and possibly a hammer or mallet. If you need lift support replacement parts, I will leave them in the description below for you. Before we get started, let's take a look at the part we will be removing. If you can see on the outside here, there's a metal clip that holds onto a ball joint underneath. So what we need to do is loosen the clip's grip on the ball. We can do this in one of two ways. 1. We get underneath the clip and lift it outwards, kind of like this. 2, which I find pretty easy, is slightly get underneath and simultaneously push it towards the ends, following the slits on the sides. These ways should be enough to move the clip past the widest part of the ball, which is the center. Now, other things to note: your new part should already have grease inside to lubricate the joint, and one of the sides may be twistable, which can affect your overall length and mounting angles, so adjust accordingly. Now that we have all this knowledge, let's get into it. First thing you'll want to do is prop up the body part so it doesn't fall on you. Then we can either pull the clip out, push it towards the ends, or a combination of both. The clip doesn't need to be completely removed from the support, but just enough to decrease the resistance when you pull the support out. Now, getting to the reinstallation, it should just be as simple as pushing it back into place. But don't forget to keep the orientation as the original part. If you forget the orientation, just look at the other side where you haven't removed it yet. Now, if you have trouble snapping it into place, you can take the hammer or mallet and tap it into place. I recommend striking it right below the clip and not on it, so it doesn't interfere with it expanding or when it snaps back over the ball. Last thing is, when you have everything in place, don't forget to give the connection points some firm tugs to make sure everything is secure. That's all there is to it. I hope that this video helped you, and thanks for watching.